Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still buzzing. So, after over a decade on the air, the Wendy Williams show could possibly be coming to an end. There have been reports that the hit talk show will be cancelled come June 2022. There are currently talks of it being replaced with what could possibly be called the Sherry Shepherd Show. Shepherd is currently one of the host stand-ins while Wendy Williams is away, so it might change.
Yeah, so Wendy's absence from the show for the last season has led to speculation that the show is being cancelled. The talk show host has suffered numerous amounts of health scares over the last year or so.
So in an exclusive by Love B. Scott, sources close to the production crew have confirmed that Sherry Shepherd's deal was finalized with them hiring everyone on Wendy's team to work on a new show. Clear. So the syndicated talk show created and hosted by Wendy Williams was first aired in July 2008 and garnered positive reviews from the audience.
I love 2008.
Yeah.
I just want to say that whether you love or hate Wendy Williams, she did something that no one was able to do at that time. It was, even you hear Oprah talks about her journey on TV and whatever, and you've seen interviews with Oprah when they disrespect her as a black woman and the negative comments that were made and whatever. And Wendy was able to, listen, I am fortunate, I'm a host here on Daytime Live, and I'm fortunate to have a co-host, so the two of we can talk and banter. Wendy comes out and she's chatting for 20 minutes by herself and keeping us engaged and entertained.
Hold on.
Listen, and radio.
When they're general doing it, she's been doing that for years before the
because radio was back in the 70s that she was there on the radio show as a woman. Pierre Mandy Debot at the time.
She has been running our thing forever.
Yeah.
When
I feel like we should give her her flowers and give her respect. I hear a lot of people on social media like, you know, karma is a thing if she was nicer, and I feel that's so disappointing to hear.
Hey, everybody can't nice enough. You have to be yourself, you know.
Yo.
Yeah.
And the lady's working. She's working. Like, we're working.
Yeah.
We can't 100% say all the things that we want to say. We're working.
I remember we did the group, TOK did an interview with Wendy Williams back in the day, and I'm telling you that she was one
Wait,
of
say that one more time?
Bop,
Say it again.
What?
Say it again.
What?
Let's
TOK
give you the flowers.
Did an interview with Wendy
That's
Williams
right.
back in the day, and I think she was the nicest person.
Uh-huh.
I think she was awesome.
She's sweet
and
and supportive.
She's always been supportive of Jamaican music, reggae, dancehall.
Let's not forget, she had
Always
Spice
been there.
on. She had,
When they're
and a
general,
lot of
man.
times, like, our dancehall
Always.
artists don't always get, especially, Menaga going at this kind of get me in trouble, especially certain artists in Jamaica don't get to be on certain things.
Always. Wendy
and
Williams,
she's there.
David Levy, and on major radio stations, and they've always supported me. So big up
to Wendy. Like, we love you, like, whatever.
Yeah, man. We love her.
Speaking of Craigie T and his musical brothers, TOK, guess what? They performed at Fame Frequency last Saturday. Fire! Let's take a look at parts of the performance. Let's
Bossy place how we a shell it down. How we a make the girl them a drop it down. Tell them how we a bossy place how we a shell it down. How we a make the girl them a drop it down. Ole 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 ole. Ole 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 ole. You know what I want? Ole 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 ole. Who wants everybody get money that listen up? Everybody get money that listen up. Watch out. Watch girl a wine, watch girl a bubble, watch girl a broke out and get in a couple. Feel it off the big toe, them a juggle. Me say girl a cry do, gone one speaker. Head top them a spin them feature. Major, and when you get a beat ya? Turn up the bass on the Twitter. Yeah, Reggae T, you go for them? Yeah, man. Show them how you bad. Good. We bad like cancer, we kill like gangster. Black like Panther, nuts like Fanta. We Chris no Santa, on like Prancer. Good gal I cheat on exotic dancer. Another one drop, straight to the top. Gal I dump them back, I get muscle contract. And to shit with something and that. Slim like a rat, she a want to ship up. Take it from top. Ole, 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 ole. Again.
Ole, 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 ole,
Yeah,
ole.
I mean.
Hey, go on it. Hey.
No. Every time I open my mouth, we don't do freestyle again, you know. P style.
P style we do.
Okay.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Ouch.
If I open my mouth,
Ouch.
best believe I check his.
Ow.
Best believe I check his name.
I thought we were closer than that, Greg. I thought that could have given me a little
Yeah,
thing.
man, we get a private.
A little,
we're not
hey. No, but that was amazing.
Not like that. I want to stay someone.
I know you meant performance.
Oh. Yeah, well.
The innuendo was still there. It's still there. I love it. Craig, that was
boy.
awesome. That
Thank
was
you.
awesome.
Yeah,
You
man,
lucky
it was
somebody
fun.
never did a host that night there. Come with a dip. What? You're lucky me
Head
never
top.
did it. And what?
Head top.
You're lucky. You know.
Speaking of women in dancehall, so Spice took a trip to Downs River Falls with her boo and friends. So let's take a look at this funny video that she shared, especially the first part.
The first part. Oops. Listen.
Yeah, I saw the thing go. It's all good.
Listen.
We love our same.
Yeah, and it's true. And I love that she's able to laugh at herself. So I really appreciate it. And I love that her boo was like, honey, I put it on me like that. But it's true.
Them cut out the first part of the video.
What was the first part?
Spice was looking very
Very voluptuous.
spicy.
I like it. No, but one time, one time I was at
Indicator, I was jumping.
I was at Mystic Mountains one time. I would up on the thing here, so and you just see one wig just fly gone.
Somebody never catch it.
Because listen,
know much for them thing there?
I was having a heart attack.
You
I was like, so all I have to say is secure the wigs, ladies. Okay, ain't no shame. Secure the wigs.
On that note, this time Live will be right back with a chat. And we'll be chatting about, what we're talking about?
Burnout.
Serious thing.
Tired.